What's good and what's going on? We're back with another video. Man. Today out we will be reacting to cops trapped in a real life chainsaw massacre. Oh man. Like I say, chat, we've been here before. Man, with further ado, let's get into this video.
This man is disturbed. Drop it! Drop it!
Dang! That taser gonna do it to him though. Oh, he's running with it.
When a man
Nah.
storms a retirement home in St. Charles, Illinois, he turns a peaceful haven for the elderly into a scene of absolute terror. As local police attempt to put a stop to his rampage, officers are forced into a life or death confrontation when they become his next target.
Oh my
The following is based on official police.
Yo, he running with it too.
December 1st, 2024, 911 receives a call from a man with an unusual concern.
Hi, I'm calling to report a guy who is not right in the head. He's got a chainsaw cutting down a real
That's not right in the head.
Does it look like he's part of like a landscaping crew or anything?
No. This man is disturbed. Now he's walking away from the tree. He's walking towards River Glen.
Okay, so he was holding a chainsaw and cutting down a tree?
Yeah, he's appears to be having some sort of mental episode. He just took off his shirt.
Does it
Oh
appear
my God.
of anything?
I would say he's having some sort of problem. He's opening the front door of the place. God, I hope that place is locked.
An officer quickly arrives at River Glen of St. Charles, a senior retirement and assisted living facility. When he tries the front door, however, he finds it locked.
Hey, what's going on with this guy? Hey, can you hold this door open? There's more police are coming.
As he searches the hallway for the suspect, another 911 call reaches dispatchers from
Oh
the
man.
scene hiding somewhere nearby.
911?
Hi, you can't give a Glen of St. Charles. There's a strange man that's into the building.
Ma'am, the police and
This guy's disturbing the peace.
Yeah, there's one officer. There's an officer.
Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it.
Drop the taser. That's not a taser. That's a chainsaw, bud.
On the ground. Get back. Hey, drop. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Want a taser?
The suspect would later be identified as
Yeah, you gotta tase him now. You warned him too many times.
It appears he has no intention of surrendering.
Hey, drop it.
You gotta tase him, bro.
Drop it.
And what is dude doing over there in the corner? Don't you see this dude with a chainsaw? Go run for cover.
I got one taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it. Step it up.
Your lady? He's looking for his lady. Yeah, bud. I think we know what we're dealing with over here. I think we know what we're dealing with over here, man. She got you too right, bud. That man's going through it. He's going through a crisis of... Let's get back into the vid. She's gone, man. Oh, that taser gonna do it to him. Did he just eat the tasers? Whoa.
Guys, upstairs.
Run for cover. Oh my God. Tase him.
The officers fire and miss several times before a final sending him to the ground.
Oh yes. Oh, they switch cheat. They shooting. Oh my gosh. Fire. Oh my gosh. I thought the taser would have been enough, chat.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Wow.
I got a backpack in my bag. Yeah. I'll give a shot before that animal the saw.
You about to scare all them. You about to give all them scared. You about to give all them old folks a heart attack in there. That old man just looking at it all. He don't know what he about to do with himself. He's still alive, chat?
Meanwhile, Officer Heike is checked for injuries, given he collided with the suspect while he still carried the chainsaw.
You ran into me with the chainsaw here, but
I think you good, bud.
Attention all staff, the facility is locked down. Nobody in, nobody out. You can keep the residents in your rooms.
Cleared of any injuries, Officer Heike fills in his sergeant on what happened.
there's people all around. There are old people all around. He's got this chainsaw. Now, again, it's not running. I don't get. He's got a chainsaw. He's crazy, and this thing, and he hit me with it, like this guy with it. So he's around these people, and I shot him.
Okay, take a seat. I'm gonna get a medic with you guys. We're gonna have you go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Okay? Don, I'm gonna have you stay with him. Okay? Stay by with me.
I just didn't want him attacking and hurting anyone else before. I'm done.
Thankfully, no one else appears to have been caught in the crossfire, and the injury to the elderly man's hand is tended to by paramedics. Staff members attempt to escort elderly residents to their rooms.
Oh my gosh.
To secure the scene.
Hey, ma'am, stop right there. Stop right there. Ma'am. Go that way.
41-year-old Daniel Escalera was transported to Delmore Hospital, where he was pronounced dead shortly upon his arrival at 9:37 a.m. His autopsy revealed 2 gunshot wounds, one to his left lateral chest and one to his forearm. Toxicology reports indicated the presence of methamphetamine and other substances in his system. It's unknown whether Daniel knew anyone at the retirement home, or who he was earlier referring to as his lady.
wife.
An investigation into the officer-involved shooting
Damn,
was
man.
by the Illinois State Police, who examined Officer Heike's body-worn camera.
Over your lady, bro.
Turned in the hallway,
Cost you your life, man.
in a position which appeared to imitate
That could cost you your life.
Kane County State's Attorney's Office concluded that Officer Heike had a reasonable belief that the deadly force he employed was necessary, and there's no evidence or indication
Hey,
that
man.
this officer committed any criminal.
Oh man. Chat, man. It's a my people. It's a crazy world out here. Stay safe. And don't lose yourself out here, man. Until next time, chat. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time. We out.